Social media is definitely having an impact on how we trade, and especially how stock prices move either up, down or sideways. So wouldn't it be nice to know very quickly, because these trends in social media can spike at a flick of a switch, what are the stocks to be looking at that moment in time? Well, there is a really easy way, totally free, and I'm going to show you how you can find out these hot stocks, the great ones to trade, and then put them on your short list, add them into your technical analysis, do whatever you have to do to them. But you do know that these are the ones that everyone's looking at, searching for, wants to be involved with at that moment in time. We want momentum, and this is one great way of finding it. So all you have to do first of all is to go into Google and search for Google Trends. Click on there, open it up, and you'll get on to their landing page. Okay, so what we want is the explore part in the top left there. Click on there, and this is the critical mass of this whole exercise. It's finding the best keywords to use to tailor in on those people that are, searching the social media platforms, the websites, everything around a certain topic. So I'm going to give you a few guidelines, a few tips right now, but go away, experiment yourself, see what works, build that into your own strategies. But for example, really simple one, stocks. Just type stocks in and see what that brings back. Now, I also recommend changing these variables along this line here. Now, if we want to find US stocks, we just type in United States, click on there, and we're narrowing it down further and further. Now, I like to get more short-term, more immediate impact in my stock movement, so really don't want to know about what's happened over the last 12 months. I'm going to bring that right in. So I like to look over the past day or the past 7 days what has been trending. So if we, for example, just clicked on the past day, again it's going to bring that in further, and you can see how from this chart here how the interest over time has changed. Now you can get further deep into the search. You can get in there by these different categories, different industries, different areas of interest. I leave that as it is. Web search, again, you can even see who's searching for certain topics on YouTube. Again, I leave it as it is. So then all you have to do is scroll down to these two areas, related topics, related queries, and the beauty of this is it just doesn't give you only the good individual stocks. Often people are searching for sectors or new hot groups of stocks that could be taking off at any one time. So in this example today, first up, 15 stocks to buy in a once in a generation. So you can click on there, find out more. Cruise line stocks, the stock here, Carnival Cruise Line, and what I'm looking for is this area here, is the percentage of gained interest. Now breakout ones, yet they hit the radar straight away, and anything really over 750% flags my interest. So even though cruise line stocks at 250%, we've got Carnival Cruise Line above, so that's given me even more confidence to focus in on, say, Carnival Cruise Lines. We go over to related topics as well, quite heavily focused there. And what you can do is, if it's got more options there to below, you can click through the query to find other stocks that are being talked about, being watched at that moment in time. So again, like that's really it. There's not much to it than that. You've now got a list of things to go away and look at. And again, if you want a bit longer, what's been going on the last 7 days, again, just set the variables up differently, and we've got a whole mixture of stuff there really. So again, you've got a few more topics, semiconductors, all sorts of different products. Unsurprisingly, birth control stocks, that sort of thing, with the Wade versus Roe results that came out just recently. But there you go, quite simple. That's it. Way to search for hot stocks really quickly, totally free, very accurate, see where the momentum is, and then, like I say, take them into your world of trading, whether that's technical analysis, fundamental, do the research, and then, you know, execute. So I hope you found that useful. If you liked the video, please give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons, and all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.